Let's check out 9 plus collections of app icons that users will never forget. Number 1, Icons 8. Icons 8 is one of the most complete repositories of app icons out there. Not only do you get a downright wonderful selection of wireframe ready icons, but they also offer a staggering amount of color icons that match almost every style standard there is. Also, they're free, which makes them even better. Let's check out 2 examples. The Doodle collection from Icons 8 gives a purposefully stylized feel to your project. Whether your app needs stylized SVGs for each social network or web platform, or standard navigation buttons, or even messaging smileys, Icons 8 Doodle app icon collection is one to look at. Icon 8's gaming icon collection should appeal to every app developer out there. Game assets can be really expensive, but these free app icons can get you through those initial development stages so that you can see where your game needs tweaking before you spend a lot of design time on concepts that might have to be scrapped. Number 2, Icon Finder. Icon Finder has a little bit of everything in their database. Each collection of app icons is licensed a little differently because they are designed by different artists, but many of them are Creative Commons. Let's check out 2 examples. The Super Mono Stickers collection puts just enough oomph and pizzazz on the icons to make them stand out. The slightly raised effect gives just enough of a 3D look that anyone checking out your mockup will know which ones are touchable and which ones aren't. They are Creative Commons 3.0 licensed, so you could use these in your final project. The China's Social Share App Icons collection is clean and simple. Whether you intend to go into the market with your own social or messaging app, or if you just want to make social sharing that much easier and give lots of options, consider including these app icons. Number 3, Sketch App Resources. This is exactly what it sounds like, a collection of nearly 4,000 free resources that you can use in app design, prototyping, and full products that are ready to go gold. They do offer premium resources too, so if you can't quite find what you need in freebies, you can check there. Let's check out 2 examples. Even though the entire world is used to swipe gestures and interacting with smartphones, your app still needs a tutorial. These gesture icons are perfect for that. If you need them to click, there's an icon for that. Need them to swipe up, then down? Combine a couple of these. They're self-explanatory, using a pretty universal set of motions and interactions. If you like pixel art, you'll like the Isometric Building Blocks app icons. Each block is a symbol that you can then use to manipulate into whatever icons your app needs. The blocks are brightly colored and stylized enough that any kid's app would be a perfect home for these little guys. So there you go. We have barely scratched the surface on what app icons each of these repositories have, so be sure to check them out yourself by clicking on the blog post linked in the video description. If this video helped you, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.